Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share screen in MS Teams while you are in a meeting. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos. Okay, now let's get straight into the video. MS Teams can be downloaded through App Store, which you can see right here. Open your MS Teams app. In the bottom side, you can see there are many options such as Activity, Chat, Teams, Assignments, and Calendar, and more. Tap on Calendar to join any meetings from here. Joining this. Now tap on Join. Now you can see I have entered the class. To share the screen, on the bottom right side you can see three dots. Tap on the three dots. Here there are many options such as chat, people, share, views. In the bottom side you can see background effects, turn off income videos, and many more. To share the screen, tap on share, which is on the third option. Now here you'll get an option for what you want to share. You can share PowerPoint, share photo, share video, share screen, share whiteboard. For example, you want to share a photo, tap on share photo, then choose any of the photo that you want to share, then tap on start presenting. After you are done presenting the photo, tap on stop presenting, which is on the below of the photo. Soon after you tap on stop presenting, the photo will stop appearing on your screen and everybody else's screen. You can do the following steps again. Tap on the three dots and then tap on share and then tap on whiteboard to share your whiteboard with everybody in the meeting. Whiteboard is used to write something here, like you want to explain something with figure. To write on the whiteboard, on the bottom right side there is plus sign. Tap on the plus sign, then tap on ink, then choose a pen that you want to write with. Write something, for example I'm writing here. Also there are many other options you want to use, like adding shapes and many more. And there are infinity places to write on. You just have to scroll up and down to see. This is how you share your screen on MS Teams. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.